How to apply for Tesco credit card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can apply for a Tesco credit card. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now, first things first, in order to apply for a Tesco credit card, you can head into your browser and search in for Tesco credit card and you'll get these links. You can also head directly into tescobank.com, but I'm here showing you a quicker way. Here, once you do so, you can see eligibility checker under credit cards. You can tap on it and you can check if you're eligible to apply for your credit card that you wish to. Now, once you have checked it and if you're eligible, then what you can do is simply tap on credit cards option there, the link, and you can see scroll down below. You want to choose what you would like a credit card for. If you are not sure yet, you can select I'm not sure yet, but I'll just select everyday spending here and it should give me 2 credit cards to consider here. You can check out all credit cards if you wish to, but I'll just check out here. So once you have checked it out, what you can do is you can tap on learn more and apply. You can also do eligibility check from here as well. So tap on learn more and apply here once you have done your eligibility check, and you can see about this card, what this card gives you, and various other options. Now, if you're ready to apply, you can apply in just 10 minutes. Tap on apply now and go ahead through the prompts. Make sure you have registered for online banking here and log into your account and tap on next, tap on I confirm, tap on apply now and go ahead here. So you can see now you can go ahead and apply for the credit card. So this is how you can apply for Tesco credit card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.